You already did it, right?
No, well, yeah, okay.
It is?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh. This is air rifles when we're not out back shooting,
Air rifles.
pretty much. That's how we roll. And then we're gonna show you this once it gets done.
Yeah, this is a sneak preview, guys.
Of the mower.
There's the front end.
Yeah.
Here, I'll show you guys the cool thing about this. You see that? That is a muffler. Well, without the muffler on it. Yeah. It looks like crap right now, but trust me, that dude right over there is gonna fix that.
Holy Moses, it doesn't fit!
Well, don't throw it everywhere, you goddamn fucking retard.
I am sucked. Okay, well, we're gonna have to cut this again.
How far are you off?
About another stinking inch.
Oh my! It keeps growing. That's what she said. Hold up. Let me get my damn foot up there. Don't hit me.
I'm not hitting you.
You better not. Yeah, so I literally called him to come pick me up. We come over here. Now we're doing this.
Hey, guess what? The garage was clean?
Yeah. The garage was clean when I got here.
It's not now.
We fucked it up.
It's worse. Okay, let's see if it will fit this time.
Hallelujah.
Holy Moses, guys, it fits. Now we gotta cut
Finally.
this one.
Now, how about you actually do your damn measurements right?
Okay, we got.
It needs about 2 inches, I'd say.
Yeah, like
About.
Something else
Shut
we
the
know.
fuck up.
Yeah, something else we know that's 2 inches.
I'm sorry, guys. I know. Can't be saying shut up.
Okay. Wow, let's try this again.
Hold up. Bring it back this way. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. You still,
Oh, shit.
you still recording?
Yeah, man.
Well, I don't think they want to see all this.
I don't know. I think it'd be pretty funny.
Well, I mean, okay, we'll do this. Fail! Try it again. I hit the ground.
Yeah, you did hit the ground. I saw the damn spark. Okay, now let's hope. Oh my god. See, this is what you get. See my shoe down there? Oh yeah, it's right there. This crap's on it. Oh yeah, look at that. You let me do the measurements for you one time and it fits. You do them, it takes you 4 fucking times.
Shut your pothole.
Wow.
Shut your pothole. Guess what we have to do now?
Clean this up.
We gotta clean this up, and then we'll show you the video after we clean this up.
Yeah, we'll be right back.
I'll still be